Hello dreamers! Today we're taking a look at the painting process of a recent commission of mine. A painting of my friends' two dogs, Marcel and Louie. The challenge with this commission is that Louie, the dark tall terrier who passed away before Marcel, the small red Frenchie, was adopted, they never had a chance to meet. The family who commissioned this painting wanted both of their beloved pets to be portrayed together in the same space as if they were right next to each other in real life. I noticed that many of you watching my video have not subscribed to my channel yet. So if you have not done so, please hit the subscribe button. Not only will this notify you when I release new paintings and videos, but it also helps a small channel like mine to grow and reach more viewers just like you. This particular commission comes with its own challenges. While we have many photos of Louie, none captured him in the ideal portrait pose, looking at the camera, happy, properly, just stand there. This is a common issue with pet commission, is that the pet rarely just sits still for a photo that can be used directly for a portrait. So while we still have Marcel and we can retake photo of Marcel until we're happy with it, we have to look online to find to Google for reference photo of Stanford Terrier photos, so that we can find a body position that we can use for Louie. During the painting process, I adjusted Louie's head and the body proportion several times based on the owner's memories. And Louie's coating color was changed a couple times because Louie's coating changed colors from indoor to outdoor. The owner also specified the type of colors that they want to be included with this commission. In the end, both the pet owner and I were thrilled with the final result. The dogs look adorable together as if they have been lifelong friends. So if you are interested in commissioning your own pet portraits with me, my commission link is listed in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching the two pups comes to life on the page as much as I did painting them. Happy dreaming, and see you in the next video.